What's up, guys? I'm really sorry that I haven't been filming. The weather's been kind of crappy here in Wichita, and I've been really busy at work. But anyways, we're gonna be doing some body work on my brother's Formula. The rear quarter panels, they had dents. I fixed those last Saturday. But I'm really sorry I didn't record, but I'll show you what else I'm gonna do to it. Anyways, I don't know if I mentioned in a previous video that we fixed the hood. It still needs to be sanded and reprimered. We're gonna fix these, repaint them. Right here had a really massive dent. Pulled that out. I really don't see any other dents on this side. But, got him. Anyways, we're gonna be doing this too. Sending that down, primer that. We got the rear hatch. He got that painted, put on. Looks pretty nice, majestic. Really sorry for the wind. Anyways, here this side, pulled dent there, had dent there. You can see anywhere else they had dents. Kind of fucked up. Scratched the door. Yep, it's the valve stem. This tire's been going flat. And it's the damn stem, I think. Anyways, we're gonna be doing that. I'm gonna sand that down and hopefully primer it tonight. Got some right there too. Anyways, yeah, that's what we're gonna be doing. Getting this ready for my little brother's prom. We want to take this to prom. Yeah. So, enjoy the video. And I'm sorry I haven't been recording. But, there it is. Enjoy. Alright, so as soon as I was setting my phone up to record, this thing broke. I had fixed it already. Put tape around there because it previously cracked from when I put kitty hair. But looks like I won't be recording the process, but I'll stop and record and show you guys what I've done. So sorry about that. Alright, so I'm gonna sand it down with 80 grit. Alright, so I got that sanded down with the DA. Now I'm gonna hit it with 80 with a dirt block. Hit with the board. See if I got any low spots. If I need to add more, any more body filler. So let's do this. So we already sanded that down with the board. 80 grit. It's almost there. Now I'm gonna hit it with 180 to delete all these really nasty scratches from the 80 grit. And then we'll see how it goes from there. See if it's still even. We'll hit it with 320 to delete even the scratches from the 180. Then we can primer it. And then after we're done with this side, I'm gonna come over here and hit this one the same way. Hit it with the DA with the 80. Hit this one with the DA, and then the rest of it hit it with 180, then 320, because maybe I'll still hit this spot right here because I feel a little something there. But yeah, let's swap down to 180 grit. Alright, so we got the 180 grit. Time to sand. Right, so we're done with that. I'm gonna see if I have 320 on the DA. That way I can just sand that off easier and faster. And we'll go from there. Okay, so no 320 for the DA, but we got 320 for the board. Let's do this. 320's on. Time to go sand. Alright, we're at her now. Once again, I apologize for the wind, but I'm gonna be sanding down all this area. Or I forgot to mention, after I'm done hitting it with the 320, I'll be hitting it with these scuff pads. It's about 400 grit, 500 grit, just to sand off all the shininess. That way, if I get any overspray, the primer will stick. Let's do this. Alright guys, so I'm done with this area right here. Still a little bit of scratches, but primer should get that. But there's a plot to it. So when I was sanding up here, a little dent there, a little dent there, a little dent there, a little bigger dent there, a little dent there. All these dents. So guess what? Sorry about the wind, but guess what? We're gonna pull those out, and so I can show you guys how I pulled these. Well, there's 3 here and a butt ton over there. So let's do this. All right, guys. So I got all the stuff I need to pull these dents. Got my stud gun, my nails, pull my nails, my nail puller, and my die grinder. I have to grind these all the way down to bare metal. That way this mofo right here can weld the studs. So let's see how this goes. Okay, so we got all the big dents grinded down to bare metal. We got a little stud in our stud gun. Sorry about that. It's kind of hard recording with one hand. As you can see there, we wanted the full circle on bare metal. Then you just hit this trigger. You're just gonna weld it. Ta-da! Also, you want to hold it on there too long because you might melt through it. So yeah, let's do this. Right, so we're studded now. Now we're gonna get this mofo right here. This one, you twist it like that. Kind of hard to do this with when you have your Okay, so it's on there. You can smack it up, but I wouldn't recommend it. Usually I have a little hammer that's pointed, and the thing that I do, I just put tension on this, pull it towards me, while with the hammer I beat the edges of it. That way it slowly brings itself up. And so I already tugged on these a little bit. Whenever I'm ready to pull the stud out, I just bend them like this. Yeah. I just grab those. Grab it like that. There you go. I put these in my back pocket because if I throw them, I could get a flat tire. That's never happened, but I like to be safe. Alright, so now that I pulled all these out, on this one, actually that was pretty good, but this is the little hammer that I was telling you guys about. It was a screwdriver, but my brother hacked it up and welded this on there. See if that focuses. Well, anyways, that's a tip. And that's what I beat it down with. And even when you pull on them like that, you might get a little nipple right there. This sucker, beat it down, and yeah. So I'm gonna grind this down. I'm gonna hit these areas with a 80 grit. That way, whenever I apply the primer, not the primer, but the body filler, it has really good grip to it. It won't come off. It won't flake off. It won't crack off. So yeah. Well, I put filler on all this, but it got really chilly outside, and took it a while for it to dry, so I'll end up sanding that tomorrow. Hopefully it's warmer tomorrow. Sand this again, all this, because we need it ready in a week from Saturday. So thanks for watching. I'll probably try to do another video tomorrow if it's warm enough. If not, just bear with me. And once again, I apologize for the wind and my tripod breaking, and also the way the video is going to be, because I was recording up like this instead of it's sideways, so it's going to be kind of weird looking. Yeah, and I apologize for that too. So thanks for watching. See you guys next time.